Good afternoon and welcome to the Kevin Ground here at the Kevin Champions Trophy, match number 4, day 2. It's CC Rangers taking on Energy Lions. Here is the call. It's a 10.
It's a 10.
The news of the middle is that Energy Lions have won the toss and they are batting first.
Max Guy, Domino, just one more shot to this. That went like a rock. Oh, he put that one in the air. And he gets it back to that. This is a big win. He gets on the right field. There's only back to the road. How do you know? He does right distance worse shot to this. It's on Cancelo, one shot of this excellent cut shot. It goes bang! That's a huge! That's a massive.
Oh, really scope shot. This is clever one. And this outfield is absolutely fast. Another boundary. Down the leg side. And ball went all the way to the boundary. White ball. This time he goes high in the air. And what a catch! Unbelievable catch. Vishwanath Patil is the man. In the air, straight to the man. Oh, he wants to pull that one and he has gone. Clean bowled by Prithviraj. Excellent bowling by Prithviraj again. Bowled him. Wicket number 6. Sharpanda Naik is the man. Akshay Gupta off the mark with a single. Mohammad Manir goes straight. And straight goes big. Straight to the side screen. Top of the side screen. Straight down the ground. What a shot. He goes downtown. He clears the mid-wicket vision comfortably. Nice milestone. Another wicket goes down. Harish Jekes, the man, has taken second wicket. Cleans him off. Wicket number 9. He goes high downtown. This is a massive hit. Oh, he goes big. Man at deep cover. And he takes the catch. Chandrasekhar Patil is the man. 127 all out in 20 overs. Last ball of the last over went to the straight to the deep cover. So 127. The target for the Rangers team. 128 in the allotted 20 overs. Good shot. Nicely flexed that one to the onside. This outfield is absolutely fast. It will go all the way. And it is. Oh, edge of the bat. Passes the wicketkeeper Uday Chavan into the fence. This time he flexed that one to the down the leg side. Down the leg side and the batsman helped the ball on its way. This time it was intentionally open the face of the blade. One bounce into the fence. Really clever shot. This time takes the aerial route. One bounce into the fence. Almost clear the ropes, but just bouncing in front of the. Oh, intentionally open the face of the blade. Ball running away towards the boundary. There is a man at deep third man, and he can't get there. He goes for the downtown. This time over deep square leg. What a shot this is. Aggressive cricket. Again he goes down. Beautifully played. Another boundary in the same area. Slightly drifting down. This time he goes in the air. Takes the aerial route. Right in between the two fielders. And another boundary. 2 back-to-back boundaries. Oh, easily played that one with the soft hands. Goes to the offside. This time they will take the single. Overthrow. And they are going for that extra run. A boundary. Oh, this is really frustrating for the fielding team. 5 runs added to the total. Whoop, cleans up. Anil Rathod. Just what the doctor order for the Lions team. Nice flick. Straight to the fielder. Oh, misfield by the fielder. Ball running away to the boundary and it went all the way. Misfield and a boundary. This time leading edge and went towards the deep third man. Another boundary. Take that. Consecutive boundaries. He cuts it fine. Beats the man at backward point and into the boundary. This time he goes high, straight over the side screen. What a shot! That's a biggie. Yes, what a shot this is. Another bottom and use. That went all the way for 6. This time he played that onside. That's it. It's all over. Rangers team have win this match by 7 wickets. And register the points on the table. Congratulations to the Rangers team. Over to studio, Tyra Basser.
Now speaking about match number 4, which was played versus NVG Lions and CCC Rangers. So CCC Rangers have opened their account. They have won the match by 7 wickets. Let the claps keep coming. The man of the match is Mr. Harish JK. 17 runs in 10 balls, 2 fours, 1 sixes. But this title is basically going to him for his 2 major wickets, and the player remains not out. So let the claps keep coming. And may I request Mr. Muzaffar to kindly come and collect his coupon of rupees 500. That is a food voucher from Mezban. You can clap. You can always clap.